Hi friends, this is Vishali from Taza Talk on Spotify. आज हमारे बीच में श्री लक्ष्मी जी हैं. She has an institute here in Hyderabad and Bangalore. So let me have a pleasure to introduce her. Lakshmi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
Hi. कैसे हैं आप?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. I'm good. Doing good.
Thank you so much. So, Shri Lakshmi ma'am, we are glad that you are here. So, tell me more about your after school programs that you were saying that you have many after school programs and the English language courses. So, what is it all about and why do the kids really need it?
In our institution, we offer variety of programs. Our main program is after school program from grade 1 to 10. So we take students from Cambridge curriculum, ICC curriculum, CBSE and state curriculum also, both state curriculum of Karnataka and Telangana.
Right.
In our institution, we have something called learning pods. So each learning pod comprises of one teacher and 7 students, 5 to 7 students. That is our teacher to student ratio. So we take very less students per learning pod because we want to focus more on the students' positive and gray areas and help the student with the concepts and applications, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Apart
And what is
from,
a. Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Apart
If
from, we have other programs also, ma'am.
Right.
So if you, should I tell about that?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Yeah. So we have more programs. Like we have a group. We have a program called Jolly Phonics program that is for children up to 8 years. That is a foundational program where we teach phonics, and our teaching method is activity based method. We do a lot of activities. We introduce a concept with an activity or a game so that children enjoy the concept.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is exactly the mode of teaching you use for every, like this is that you said for the small kids you use a activity based method, right? For the other teaching techniques, what you are using for?
We have various pedagogies and we implement those pedagogies based on the age group. But when we want to introduce a concept, suppose we are introducing chemical bonding, we bring in some models of molecules and we try to explain what is an ionic bond, what is a covalent bond. We use a lot of activities or group activity or individual activity, or we try to play a small game to introduce. So this activity based learning is from grade 1 to grade 10.
Okay. Okay. Can you please tell me the term process of for the whole year for the kids and everything like you use?
Term process in the sense? I mean,
like for how like a particular course, just as you told us that the teachings will be done till the 10th class, right?
Yes.
So what term? It's like a 3-year 1-year course, it is for 6 months course that a kid should follow, or a complete entire whole year you will be teaching them and helping them to clear?
Yeah, I got a question. So after school program is a support the child gets throughout the year from day 1 till the child's annual exams. And also we have some summer classes also, those are different, which are foundational classes. And then when it comes to phonics class, the course period is 6 months. So the child will learn phonics within those 6 months. Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, can you please tell me about the books a tutorial has different from the other school programs?
We don't have books as such, but we do have our own worksheets, which are customized worksheets. So based on every concept has a worksheet. Unlike you see in many schools and tutorials or tuitions, wherever the child goes, so they are probably given one question paper for the entire chapter or 2 3 chapters. But in Booker tutorial, it's totally different. Suppose the child is exploring periodic table, say. Okay, so
Right.
periodic table has a lot of groups, 1A, 2A, 3A, whatever, right? Groups and periods. So on each group, suppose if one group is taken as a concept, on that particular group we have a worksheet. So like that, the
Okay.
child does 2 worksheets with the teacher, and one worksheet he takes home and does. So this is the process.
Okay.
Yes, and we also
Okay.
give printed notes after every chapter, so that the child doesn't have to monotonously write notes. So that will help him in his school academics also, because in many schools they don't give you notes or materials. Like if you go to many ICSE schools, CBSE schools, you don't get ready-made notes. The child has to make his or her own notes. So to
Right.
save time, we give our printed notes, which are made by experienced teachers in our institution.
Okay.
Yes.
So can I ask you that how do you access your students?
How do I assess? How do we assess our students? Yes,
Yeah.
I'll tell you. So, a lot of oral assessment happens in the class. Suppose we are introducing a concept, and within that concept, we try to conduct quizzes and we try to do a lot of peer learning activities, to understand where the child is. But apart from that, we have an assessment. We have 2 assessments per month. So, every 15 days, whatever the child learns, the child has his assessment paper. And the assessment paper differs from every child. Suppose there are 7 students in a learning pod, each child gets a different question paper. That way.
Okay.
Ah.
So are they able to interact with each other in the class? Because as you said, each child has a different aspect.
Yes, because a lot of pure learning is very important among the children. It is not evidently done at school, so we really insist on that pure learning process. So we give a lot of activities where 2 children can sit and do, or 3 children can sit and do. They can exchange their ideas and learn the concept thoroughly.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you do the revision for the concepts also in the classes before the exams?
Yes, we do thorough
So
revision.
what are the techniques you take for the revision?
We have quizzes, we have multiple choice assessment papers, and then we have descriptive assessment papers, depending on the curriculum again. Because the way Cambridge tests is different from the way ICC tests, is different from the way CBSE tests, right?
Right.
Everybody's way of format of question paper is different. So for the exams, we train them as per their curriculum question paper, and
Okay.
we revise each concept thrice before the exam,
Okay.
so that they are confident to attempt the paper. Yes.
Okay. So do you really feel like the involvement of the parents is to be needed in their academic with the institutes also?
Definitely, parents' involvement is super important for development of
Okay.
child. I think when the child has to grow, academically. Teachers' contribution is there, and parents' contribution is equally there, right? So whenever we assess the child, we send a lot of rubrics, and we send report sheets through mail to the parents. And apart from that, once a month we meet all the parents. They schedule some online appointment with us, and a quick 10 to 15 minutes meet we have, so that to discuss about the child's academics. Yeah.
Okay. So on a regular basis, you keep on interacting with the parents also.
Yes, we do. Yes.
So is that
It's very
really
important.
helping how to grow or to understand the child what basically, like it is vice versa, to be honest. Being a
Yes.
parent also, I can say that. Like if an
Yes.
institute or a coaching teacher who is actually providing a coaching to my child and in grooming up my child. So like interacting with the teachers, it is more comfortable for the parents also and to the teachers also to understand the child. Is that true, ma'am?
Yes, it is. Yes. Parents' involvement is very much important for the child's academic growth and overall growth, to be precise.
Okay. So
Yes.
do you find any time when a parent really don't want it to come for the interaction to the teacher, or there is an hesitation between a child that he doesn't want or she doesn't want a parent to be involved with the teacher? Is that so? Have you ever seen that?
Um,
So how do you deal them basically? That's my
Sometimes the
question.
teenage students maybe do not want parents to talk to teachers. This often happens when we were teenagers also. We were like very scared when there is a
Right.
PTM. Yeah, we were very scared. We don't want our mother or father to go and interact with the teacher because the parent gets to know a lot about the child. This happens.
Yeah.
But the parent teacher meets are very confidential between the parent and the teacher and the management. So we don't involve child in it. So it is like purely between the parent and the teacher and the management.
Okay. So have you ever been like having some very nice experience with the parents?
Yes, most of
Talking
the
about your
parents
kids?
are very yes, most of the parents are very friendly and cooperative. They're very nice because they the reason parents take after school programs is they don't find enough time to spend with their children because maybe they are working or maybe there is some other kind of commitment or there is a second child they have to take care of. So these things are there. So we give very in person. We give in person attention to the child. So parents are always happy about it. Yes.
Now, can you please explain, ma'am, that is any difference like between the ICSE, CBSE, state, IB, and IGCSE exams, right? Held curriculum,
Yes,
basically. We call it.
curriculum has its curriculum has its own pros and cons, and it depends upon your needs. Suppose you are probably moving to some other country, then such students take Cambridge and IB in India so that they can continue their curriculum in other countries. So if the child is going to write competitive exams in India, then the child can go to CBSE, ICSE, or state syllabus. It is up to the child and the parent. But I think every syllabus is equally good. It only depends on how well you learn the concepts and how well you excel. So that is important. Syllabus
Okay.
is not important. I mean,
Syllabus.
curriculum is not important. More or less, they are similar.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do you get updated for everything, ma'am? Because every time things are changing, like every blink of a second, things are changing. So how do you get updated? Because according to the technology, if I talk about, things are changing so fast, and the kids have to be very updated. So how do you get updated every day?
We stay since I'm an educator, I have group of educators who are my friends and who are my contacts. So I usually attend these meetups and all, and then get to know about new technology, and I help my teachers get trained in that technology. It is still a uphill task, but we are just trying to
Updated.
overcome it and be updated. Yes.
Okay. Can you please tell me, ma'am, how do you handle the situation where the students are not showing so much improvement in spite of a lot of efforts you guys are doing? Being a teacher, you do a lot of efforts for that. So, like in that case, how do you handle the child?
See, I'm telling you, no two child is same, right? Every child
Right.
is different. So one child might be good at math, the other child might be good at reasoning, or the other child might be good at, language skills. So growth is like an eventual process. You cannot measure it in a short time. See, my child is doing well in this exam. He didn't do well in this exam. This comparison is not required. Right, slowly, some children improve slowly, some children improve rapidly. It varies from child to child. But
Okay.
I don't think we face such situation where the child did not improve at all, because we try to teach children in a very fun way. with a lot of activities, a lot of games, and then we also make the children sit together and they play a game together and they learn. And even the revision, like all this multiplication, quick math revisions also happen like this with some fun games.
It's a
So
fun game.
children really enjoy, learning. It's not like they're going to some tuitions. You understand, right? When we were children, after school going to a tuition was a burden. But
Exactly.
with Booker tutorial, it's not a burden. They can just come and, play, interact, and learn. Yeah.
Matlab, it's that I can say in short, I can talk ki, like you guys, your institute is basically teaching in a funny way so that the child doesn't feel like that they are in a coaching institute or something like that.
Yes.
They
yes.
are spending their time in a productivity, playing games and learning more things, right?
Yes, playing games or activity or some kind of project work.
Okay.
And a
Through
lot of
that.
pure learning also happens. Yes.
Yeah, so that is where the things automatically register to their brains.
Yes. Also, we use these graphic worksheets like a mind map or some kind of fishbone diagram. So we actually teach children to learn.
Oh.
Teach them the method to learn.
Method to learn. That is actually, things are basically changing. Okay, so can you please tell me what is the vision of like Booker tutorial? Where do you think that in another next 5 years you will be there?
We are trying to implement. We are trying to get more creative in our pedagogies, and then we are trying to implement some good technology like VR and some touch and feel material. We are trying to get some touch and feel material so that students see and learn, touch and learn, and perceive and learn that way. So we are trying to implement all those in our institution.
Okay.
So we are planning to grow. This is we already started a second branch in Hyderabad. So probably it grows.
Wow.
This is our first batch. This academic is going to be our first batch. So hopefully we are trying to get more students and trying to grow our family.
Definitely, because techniques are changing. People really want to, because time, like kids have had so much burden in the schools also. Many things are mingle up with the brain. So better is the way of technique you are using to teach the child and learning more things in a short term. Like I can say ki, in a minimum time they can learn more and more things. So the different things everybody welcome, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are very happy to see that people are using so different techniques, and your institute is working hard for that. Many congratulations for that, and you are introducing so many different things to it for the learning of the new child. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. So at the end, I would like to ask you that the people wanted to connect you from not only from the Bangalore and from the Hyderabad, as you have an offline batch, online batches also. So I would like you to share your social media connect so the people can directly connect you, or the way they can connect you.
Yes, we are there on Instagram and Facebook. You can just Google Booker tutorial and you'll find our page. You can directly DM us, and there is a WhatsApp number also. They can just connect with our team, and they can schedule a free demo class. By the way, we provide free demo class for everyone. We don't charge anything for that. And they can also connect through bookertutorial.in. We have our official website.
Fine.
Yes.
Perfect, ma'am. Thank you so much for, and our platform Taza Talk is very, very happy to have you on our floor.
I'm also very happy that I'm collaborating with Taza Talk.
Thank you so much.
Really, my heart is filled with gratitude, and thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. दिस इज अ बुक ऑफ ट्यूटोरियल्स जिसके अंदर आपको ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन यू विल बी हैविंग ऑल the kind of a batches there. ये एक डिफरेंट टेक्निक है जो लेकर के हमारे सोसाइटी में आया है ये ग्रुप. तो आई होप आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग देयर. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू सो मच.